Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll show you how to install PUBG on any iPhone or iPad. Recently, I posted on my community tab and most of you people want that video. So in this video, we'll show you how to get that on any iOS device. By the way, if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon. So right now you can see I have my iPhone 11 here and I've already installed PUBG on my device and it's running perfectly fine. I haven't faced any kind of issues. I've been doing live streams till now and most of the people reported that your accounts are getting banned. So guys, do not worry, your account won't be banned until and unless you use any mods or scripts on your PUBG game. I've already done a video on Android. If you guys want PUBG on your Android, then link of that video will be given in the description below. I'll also be doing another video which will be in Hindi and that video will be on our gaming channel. So to get it on your iPhone device, it's not that difficult. You don't have to download any files. First, let me show you. Right now the game is not available in the App Store. So let's search for PUBG and here you can see game is not available inside the App Store. But after following the steps in this video, you will be able to download PUBG from App Store. So the process is quite simple. You need a PC from where first you need to open your iCloud account. First you need to log in into your iCloud account using your PC or MacBook. Once you open iCloud on your PC or MacBook, you need to go in this section which is manage under Apple ID. Tap on this. A new windows will pop up where you again need to sign in and I'm using my primary account here. Initially it will ask you for verification and that message you will receive it on your registered mobile number. Once you have successfully logged in and from here you need to make few changes in the address section. And now to get PUBG, what you have to do is you need to change this country or region to US. For that, tap on edit and first fill all these basic information and here under country and region select US. We'll select United States. It will give you a pop-up change country region to United States. Continue to update. Now under payment and shipping section, payment method none. Under billing and address, type your name. In the city section, you can use New York, state also New York. And for zip code, you can Google it. Zip code which I'm using is 10001 and then you need to enter your working mobile number. Once you have entered your mobile number, just select this copy billing address. And you have to save the same thing. So let's tap on save. And now you can scroll up and check where country and region is United States. So this is what you have to do it on your PC, I mean the iCloud account. Once you are done with that, go to your device, go to settings, go inside your Apple ID, go to iTunes and App Store. And from here, once you need to log out, tap on sign out. Once you have successfully signed out, again sign in with the same ID in which you have changed the address. So that's my primary ID. After adding your Apple ID and password, tap on sign in and here you go. We have successfully signed in with our original ID. Now go to App Store. First clear this. If it's running in the background, again open App Store, search for PUBG and here you go. So here you can see PUBG is now available inside the App Store. You can download it from, as I've already downloaded, I get the option to open it. And once you have installed it on your device, after that if you want, you can again change the billing address. The process is same. Once you change the billing address, just go to settings, log out and again log in inside your Apple ID. After you have successfully installed the game, then if you want, you can again go to your iCloud account and change the country to India, but make sure you have installed it before changing the country. So let me change and show you. Selecting country to India, payment method again none. Once you enter all the details, just tap on save and that's it. Your country or region has been changed successfully to India. But again, this has to be done after you download the game. And later again go inside the Apple ID settings on your phone, tapping on it, sign out and again sign in. This way it will also change the country from your iPhone. And after that you can start playing the game. So guys, this way you can install PUBG on any of your iOS device. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.